So as we discussed, so thinking out of box, of course, generate the ideas, and the ideas you can work on those ideas, and you can bring a lot of innovations to the society. So just on a lighter note, I want to do something. Can you give me idea? So this person is saying, "Am I mad? If I have, would not I start?" So I want to say you have to generate your own ideas. Nobody is there in the world who can give the ideas to you, and just simply you can work on those ideas. So you have to generate your ideas, work, do the research work, and try to find out some solutions, bridge the gap between the needs, and the wants. So how entrepreneurship works? Basically, you have to identify a problem and just give a solution to the society. So these are some sources of an idea. So you can have if you are in an industry, you can have a customer input. You have understand, sometimes competition gives you idea. Whatever the problems are there in a competition, that gives you an idea. You can do some internal research and development. Lot of things. Brainstorming is one
Can
source.
I can
Yeah.
I can I ask something?
Yes.
Pawan sir, over a period of with whatever experience I have seen that there are few personalities who are born to think different. They will always try out something different. But
Correct.
what I want to ask you is, most of us have been always in a system which which actually teaches you to comply. So when how do I get my marks, or how do I get my tick mark in school or colleges? When I comply to whatever my teacher or whatever the system asks. Same is true in a company also, maybe. So what I want to ask you is, how can I be trained to think differently? I don't know. Or is it something which is born in somebody? Or can I be trained? Can an individual be trained? Are you getting my point?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, I got your point.
So the way you have leadership, it's something born.
Yeah.
Once you have that basic personality feature, then you can build on it. Similarly, out of box thinking, can it be trained, and can it be built?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
our system does not have any scope of something like this,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Yeah, actually, that's very, ma'am, very, genuine question. See, normally what happens, suppose when the ideas comes to our mind, when we have a desire to excel, when we would like to do something different. So how we learn these things, thinking out of the box, is basically our environment. In what kind of environment we are living in. Suppose I am living in an environment where a lot of people are opening the companies, or a lot of people are going for IITs or IIMs, or some are preparing for the IAS. So suppose if you'll go to Delhi, you will find some other environment. If you'll come to Pune, you will find some other environment. It all depends on your the factors that are surrounding you. So the factors are very important. So, and the second thing is desire to excel. What you would like to. Suppose I want to start a company. I want to start a company. So this is a desire to excel. Now to start a company, I'll start thinking what to do, what is there in market. I'll do my R&Ds and research. What could be done differently? That's the reason in every institute, in a good institute, you will find these incubation centers. So the purpose is that giving them an environment to think on this. Somebody should be there to listen them. So these all are the motivational factor. See, sometimes, ma'am, we don't know whether we can become a good entrepreneur, or we can do good in this particular aspect. But these environments gives you chance to explore yourself,
Okay.
explore your
Okay.
potential. So
Oh.
this is all about the environment in which you are there, and of
Okay.
course, desire to excel.
Hmm.
Now
Yes. Okay.
I'll tell you, ma'am, the basic story what happened, how reflection started. I'll just give you a two-line example. I was just in during my leaves after a second semester, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, first year, second semester. I was sitting in one of the B's room. So he was doing his project. That's why he stayed back in the hostel. Final year project. So I just saw a brochure of MBA Institute, Symbiosis. So this brochure was very lucrative, very, some testimonials were there. It was not like, AIT brochure. So I was just, I got, I got impressed by this kind of, brochure when I've seen. So I just raised a question to Ram Singh Sekawa, sir, can't we do this for a AIT? So he said, yeah, this is an MBA brochure. It takes a lot of time. We are a technical institute. So see, MBA is all about presenting yourself. So that thought came to my mind. No, 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 no. We will also do for AIT. Why can't we? So this is what environment. So that environment I got somehow directly or indirectly, and this environment, given me a impetus or a force to work on this idea. So this all depend on your environment, what kind of environment, and then how you take it. It's just simply a Symbiosis brochure, but how I took it, I just identified because I was having a desire to excel. Okay, I have to do something different. I have to do something different. So I just correlated all those things, ma'am.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. My pleasure. So, this is trait one is believe in yourself, and trait two is thinking out of the box. If we put together, it's positive attitude towards life. So this all makes difference to, definitely if you have these two things, I'm just highlighting only two things. Believe in yourself, think out of the box. Believe in yourself means that you will plan step by step, and think out of the box means that you will keep on generating different ideas, different strategies. And if you put together, it gives you, it projects you a person with positive attitude towards life. You have full confidence in you and you trust that you can do the wonders.